Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day, and today really looking forward to sharing with you about the bounce boots and setting up another pair, putting on the springs and also the treads. So I've recently switched to bounce boots by Dianna Rojas. Been loving them. They are phenomenal. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you go to the website. There'll also be a code so you can take advantage of getting this free bag, which is a great bag that's shaped specifically for the boots. So it's a nice bonus. It's a $40 value and you can get that. So let me go ahead and show you. As you can see, I've got the black with the green treads, and I got another color to share with you. I've got a very nice bright, check them out. I got the green color with the black, kind of the opposite. And they come like this. Now, a couple of things to share with you. You can customize the colors, both of the springs as well as the treads. You could do it per request, and you can also request to have these put on for you so you don't have to put them on. And depending upon your level of muscle and energy to get them on, you might want to think about that. So I just wanted to let you know. So they've got a nice selection of colors, of boots, of the springs, of the tread to choose from. And when you go to the website, you can check it out, and Dianna or one of the people at the company can answer questions for you. Big improvement that I've been loving the boots, and I'll be doing some other videos explaining what I've really loved about the new boots. All right, so now we're gonna do is get the springs on first, and then we'll put the treads on. And you'll notice there is a dot and then there's a triangle. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and I match up the dot and the dots on the front. So there's a dot there, and then there is a dot listed on the top part of the bottom of the boot. All right, so we're gonna get that in there. Now again, this does take a little bit of muscle. And let me see, I'm gonna put my gloves on, because last time I did these, I felt it was a little bit easier just having gloves to just put them on. This is a very flexible material, but when the springs are new, they're not gonna be stretched. So you really have to get in there, and it might just take a little bit of wiggle room, but we're gonna go ahead and also, just so you know, the springs, they have a little section that they fit right into, and they snap right into that part of the boot. So you'll see there, so it locks in place. All right, let me go ahead and see if we can get this on, and it might take me a minute or so, but we'll get it. But I love the new color, nice and bright. Maybe I can have one color boot on one foot, one on the other, and make it for a fun workout. All right, okay, I did get one of the boots springs on, and so now that I remembered how to get it on right, it did take a little bit of an effort. I'm gonna do this boot to show you, and then I'll show you how I put the treads on. All right, so that one's done. Again, if you have gloves, then that might just help a little bit. As you know, you're pushing down with the palms of your hands. All right, finally got it. Woo! So the easiest way that I have found it to put them on is when, again, you got the boots underneath. You wanna slide one side into the groove and then do the other side and push. It might just take a little bit of effort, but you will get there. And I got a nice little sweaty workout as I put them on. Now these are a lot easier to put on than the springs, but take a little work, and it's nice once they're on. So I'm gonna go ahead and line up. So what I'm going to do is do the front first, and then what I'm gonna do is front first. This locks into that groove over there, and then this pushes in, and that's it. And now it is done. And then you could just make sure everything's snapped into place. And again, do the front. There. Put the back boot between your legs, and then push down. And then that's it. Now you can go out and bounce all you want. And as you can see, I got a nice bright color, and I could maybe do a mix and match if I want. I could go out with the black boot on one foot and the green on the other. So there you go. Check out the website. Again, bounceboots.com. Be sure to click on the link in the description. Also see that code so you can take advantage and get yourself the free bag. All right, everybody, let me know if you have any questions about the boots. Stay tuned for other videos as I share with you about the Bounce boots and why I really love them. Take care. Thanks for watching.